Learning code while working 8 hours until you it comes time. We'll probably play low end. That's okay. Get some experience. Yeah. No, I mean, I respect the hustle. Pakistan is in the middle. No, I did not say it was in the Middle East. I said it was near there. As in to the east of it. I did not say it was in the Middle East, chat. I know where it is. I know it borders India, okay? I'm aware. Salt my hammies, chat. Salt my hammies. Pakistan mentioned. Oh, Camel. Oh, Camel mentioned. Let's go. Okay. Cancel this, man. Indeed. Okay, so I start link. Twitch event website client. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. So now I start link this module. Does it start this with those ops? Is that what happens? I still don't really get it. What is init what gets called when this start link happens? Do you know where Nepal is? Yeah, I think I can show on a map. Let me not open up Google Maps on okay, never mind. I'm just not even gonna do it. It just showed my home address over here. I'm not doing that. I only ask because not Americans think they are Middle East. This is a supervisor. Oh, should this be Gen server instead? Yeah, I know. Use Gen server. Okay, and then I can just do the same strategy that I just did before. Most of us will not dox you. The problem is not that most of you won't dox me. That's actually not the problem, believe it or not. The problem is that someone will dox me. Start link. Most of us won't murder you. True. True. I believe that. I really, truly believe that. Okay, so then we want to look at this and we have start link here. But then this doesn't do supervisor start link. This does gen server start link. Gen server start link. Does this call init then? Okay, so then we go to init and we say, okay, init. And this is going to return okay and opt like this, right? But now I can say that I want to subscribe. At least give me your phone number. I accidentally doxed my neighbor this morning. Dylan, even after I warned you? Even after I warned you, Dylan. Mixery.subscribe Neovim connections. Is that what I called it? Neovim connections. Okay, nice. I know where he lives now. Nice. Okay, so now... Oh, but this is kind of stupid, the way that it did this before, right? Because when I did Neovim connections, I just said okay in this. I guess if this is the only thing that this is the only thing I'm subscribing to, then it's okay, right? But shouldn't I do something like, you know, like Neovim connections or something? Like, how can I distinguish this between other kinds of messages if I just send okay in the front? Shouldn't I do, like... I'd want it to be sure, right? Fair enough. Okay would be weird to put here, right? Can't I just do this instead? Like this, right? This would be better. Being an anonymous crab, head on your door. Exactly. Have not been doing enough Rust. The foundation's upset. Or maybe happy. I can't tell. I opened Google Maps where I used to live near the bridge in Baltimore. Yeah, and then it showed exactly where you live. Yes, I'm aware of this, Dylan. This is a classic one. What up, Ravon? When Ruby? Probably not gonna happen. Soon, at least. Okay, so now I can go here. I can go at impl true def handle info neovim connections and case connections do this. Okay, so if we have none, otherwise we have something. And then does handle info need to return something? This is where I return no reply like this or something. Where have I done handle info before? No reply. Oh, I need to update the socket or something. I just need to return the socket? Got it, okay. Hey guys, Burn Time here. Welcome. Welcome to the chat. Why you left Laravel? No Lambo. We're still gonna do a Laravel project. Don't worry. So well, let's see. I was kind of hoping that I was gonna be done with this before the end of the month, but I'm not going to be now because we got majorly sidetracked. My color scheme is Groove Buddy. You can just search for a color buddy on GitHub and you'll find it. She'll go down the rabbit hole of learning by creating. Nice, very cool. So I was handle info connection. Oh, Shy Rise, such a solid point. I forgot that we can do we can do pattern matching here. And then I don't really care what this looks like now, right? I guess I still want this so I can say how many we have or something like this, but oops. Oh, what was I even gonna say? I was gonna say, I was gonna finish this by the end of the month, but we got majorly sidetracked. We're building an entirely new project in Elixir to do the thing that I was gonna do before by hand. So that's a separate problem. But then I was thinking of trying to take maybe like a month to work on Telescope would be kind of fun. And then after that, I was gonna do a month later of doing the like Photos app. That's kind of what I wanted to do. I just wanted to work on like one project for the whole month, basically. This is Phoenix, yeah. Are you a fan of National Michigan? I do reside in Michigan, yes, and I am a fan of the Wolverines, indeed. Yeah, I know DHH started using it. So you can sometimes chat wholesome, we troll or use him as co-working buddy. Indeed, all of those things are true. Every day find a new angle to enjoy. Dang, that's a good one. That's a good one. But it's kind of ironic because there's literally only one angle. Like it's just 60 degrees on all the edges. Like they're all. You've only got one. It's an equilateral triangle, Dylan. I do like Elixir so far, yeah. What's the reason for using Elixir? It seems good for this kind of problem. DBG better than both. Equal angular. Yeah, Shirai. Caleb. I was thinking about trying to do, like a month of working on Telescope, just like consecutively. It seemed like it would be a really fun time. Twitch API success. What did I even? Oh, I called this Twitch API connections. I just said connections, right? So then when I disconnect here, this should go back to. Did this not work? Twitch API success. Here. I can't tell if that's working or not. I don't see no connections. Shira, how do I change it? How do I change the logging level? I thought so, yeah, it should be right here. AWS Heroes like Elixir? Oh yeah? Have you tried Erlang? Not like any serious amount though, no. in config. Config logger. Level info. I'll trust you, Cody, on that one. We'll give it a go. Yeah, I know. Okay, nice. It's a little less noisy. Twitch bot, channel server, joined. Okay, so now we should be able to say NVIM here, and we connect here. Terminating, handle info, NeoVim connections. Sol my hammies. Oh. Types are for losers. We don't need them here. It doesn't matter that we have to restart and let it crash. Doesn't matter. Blah, 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 blah. Did this connect or what? It doesn't look like I'm getting it though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, maybe I just didn't connect all the way. Connected to this, join this, adding connection, connections. Okay, great. I quit this. No connections. Let's go. I used VS Code for 30 days as an even core developer. That doesn't sound that fun. How to clip this the same way you always clip. You just click it. You just clip it clips. Good thing I went inspect in the awestruck and removed access token. Let's go. Good job, Shirai. Wrap now. I'm not gonna rap cause you said so. Okay, so what do we need to do now? We need to turn off these connections. What happens when I redeem this? Do I get that? I don't have that one. I don't have that one connected. Let's go back to events. Do we have debug in here? Do we have what are we not logging these at all? Redemption from event. Handle event, name event. Oh, these are for the rest of them. Okay. Channel redemption. Was that a good wrap or what? Can you explain why we need tree center and LSP separately? Why can't LSP handle syntax highlighting and stuff like that? Yes, because tree sitter is really good at doing it faster than LSP, and you don't have to serialize across connections, and tree sitter does more than just highlighting. This doesn't seem like a recompiled. What are some good applications for Elixir outside of chat apps? Well, I'm not making just a chat app. More than a chat app. Okay, nice. So we should get this as our reward ID here. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to test. I'm not printing out all the chats right now. Okay, so what I want to do here is we go back to the API handler here. And what I want to say is I want to do Twitch API.patch socket. Is it assigns.auth or can I just do socket.auth? Or is assigns? Okay. And then this, if we go all the way back to where we were at the beginning of the thing, channel points, custom rewards. We yoink this here. Broadcaster ID and ID of the reward. the params is the JSON body, right? So I need to go like query is queer URI encode query. Something like this. Enumerable. Return the query string using encoding. Assemble these. What? What up? What up, Leo? What's the user found? It means you've already chatted once. We're not in a channel though, right? Socket should be the state map with auth as key. I think that's what that's what I was wondering. I don't know. This is what I have. I have auth here. We also need user ID, I think, and client ID. It's not a socket. You're correct. It's in state. So should I be calling this? I can't call. Oh my goodness. Okay. This should be user ID. Okay. Broadcaster ID. Broadcaster ID. This should just be broadcaster ID. Wait, did you call this broadcaster user ID earlier or broadcaster? Is the user ID of the broadcast. Is the channel ID? Client ID? User ID? So maybe you just didn't have... I should just put this as user ID maybe? I'm not sure which one I'm supposed to put here. Broadcaster user ID, that's what Twitch calls it. Except here it's called broadcaster ID. So maybe it is, maybe it's not. Broadcaster ID. Let's just use my ID. Select star from Twitch users. TDV. Okay. Well, you know what we can do right now is I can just hard code this. Because I don't care. Broadcaster ID. Look at that. Giga Chad moves right there. Broadcaster ID. This definitely not gonna come back to bite me. Keckle, not gonna come back to bite me. I'll prove it in 6 months. Okay. That's fine. Broadcaster ID, and ID is the reward of the thing to update. This Wait, can I? Oh, so do I need to go like this? Because I want to do ID is. Where's the one that I did earlier? This one, Leo, deep space. Pick a color scheme. Okay, it's not working right now because it's not turned on. So now I have a query. Do I just go like, do I just concatenate these? If it's JSON, you don't need to encode it. Well, these though that's for the body. This is for the request params. Right? So these need to go here. Right? So then this needs to be this whole thing here. How do I make this into like a URI.path? Append path? Okay, I have an idea. Well, don't I just put it right here? This should just be URL, right? Like, where's params? Additional URL options. Path params. If set, use a templated request path via put path params. Okay, so it looks like there's a separate one for params, right? Like this. Params. Can we pass params down? All right, I'll wait. I'll wait, Chira. Well, I'll just wait right here. Just tell me when you're done. Coworkers, am I right, chat? Just never ready when they say it's gonna be ready. Shira's just furiously typing. Fingers flying all over the keyboard right now. If you're not already following Shira, you should be. You can watch someone actually who knows Elixir. Enabled. Indicates that set to true to enable award. How's it going? Wasn't it where you went down the Alchemist road? We're Elixir. We're crushing it with Elixir right now. We're very far. I'm about to show it off, chat. Oh, then we need to also though go. Def set. Set. What do I want to say? Reward. Enabled. I don't know, something like this. That's fine. Better watch someone who doesn't know Elixir, then it's relatable. Fair. Okay, hopefully everything isn't broken. Mix depths dot update all. What could go wrong? What could go wrong? What could go wrong? The stream could die. He could have installed malware. You'll never know. You're doing it. It's going great, Jojo. What about you? I am enjoying Elixir quite a bit. Ops can have a keyword now, and so I can say params like this. Ah, nice. Okay, so I can go like this. URL like this. Params. Oh, the param goes in the last one. Got it. Okay. I gotcha. So I go params like this. Or JSON, you're saying? JSON. How does this work again? It's pronounced Earl. What's your West term config? There's nothing to patch author. Okay. Gotcha. Query. JSON. Like this. I should have put ops last, but whatever. It's definitely different, but Elixir's fun. I like it a lot. Okay, and so for query, I just go like this. Like this, then. Got it. Whoops. This one. I don't know if this will be bad that it sets it to true every time, but we can just see what happens. Watch all your content later. Appreciate patient, thoughtful approach. Hey, well, thank you, Dojo. That's really nice of you. I appreciate that. Very nice message. Okay, so we connect to this. And then what happens when I... terminating. Unknown option. Query. Is it... I think it's params, not query. Params? Start over. We'll try this again. Unexpected response. Response status 401. Unauthorized. Missing scope. Oh! Smart. Okay. Hodl chat. Hodl. Just so I don't dox myself on accident. I gotta get my updated, my updated scope token. Because now we're managing them. Digity doxed. Already have this somewhere. Okay. Dang, how did you guys know? Alright, let's try this. New OAuth token. Definitely not gonna leak. Definitely not gonna leak. Certainly not gonna leak. Okay. Okay. All right, that should be good, I think. We'll see what happens at least. We'll see what happens. All right. Okay, so we restarted. We got the new one in. So now when we run this, we should probably be able to restart here and connect. Okay. Unexpected response 403. Client ID header must match the client ID to create the customer order of the broadcast system. It has to be the same person? Oh, it can't. It's only rewards that you make when you. Oh, that's right. You can only manage rewards that you created through this. Yeah, Shirai, what? I tried showing it like 5 times. How did no one notice? How did no one notice? What is going on? You guys took forever. You guys took forever to notice. Like, what is going on? I showed it 5 times. Oh my goodness. Hey, thanks, KSI listener. Hey, welcome. Christian Ravon? Yeah, very cool. Okay, that's good, Ashland. Nobody cared. Oh man. Ah. Get debated, chat. Keckle. I'm respecting your privacy but not watching. Fair enough. Fair enough. Oh, okay. Kind of looks like he's mostly just fixing together API calls. Not sure if there's comrades over in language. Yeah, I haven't done like a overall comparison. It was it was red, which means didn't execute it. True. Anyways, okay. I couldn't resist, chat. I could not resist. I could not resist. I apologize. Okay. So this is where it's super stupid. Like you can only manage commands that you've created through the API. So what I need to do is I need to delete pick a color. We need to delete pick a color scheme. Okay. So we get a new one that we've deleted it, right? Now we need to go and we need to create a new reward. Create custom rewards. Okay. So Shira, what's the easiest way? I can just make like I want to just do something that can run like basically a script inside of my same environment. Right? You're still panicking because I just put the OAuth up there. I apologize for that one. I couldn't help myself. Basically, I want to be able to reuse all the stuff that I have here, you know, like, but I want to run it as like a script, basically. Mostly, I just want to reuse the Twitch API part. Task. Okay. Okay, yeah. Just look at the mix ones. I was wondering if Phoenix had anything, but I guess it doesn't really. Provides convenience for creating, loading, and manipulating mixed tasks. A mixed task can be run use mixed task, whose name begins mixed.tasks, and defines the run function, okay? Is there a way to easily load all of this lib? Mix. And then what? Tasks. And we can do create rewards. So I can do mix, create rewards, and the file names using dot separators, and the files using dot separators are deps.clean.x, although ultimately the file name is not relevant. For example, modern mix will translate to deps clean. So I can just do mix, create rewards. Mix, create rewards. Cool. Yeah. Nice. I should just get rid of this because it's annoying. Okay. Okay, so now how can I load up? I want to load up some stuff from my application. Like in particular, I just want to load up the at requirements app config. Then you can grab the config. Where do I put this? Here? Just like anywhere in here? Even though this is in like config, that doesn't matter. I have config. What do you need started? I only want right now the Twitch API handler thing, which is really nothing exciting except getting the auth from these. So maybe I don't even need that. I guess I can just do this, right? Basically, I just want these to get loaded. Right, I want to load the config and I want to get out my client ID, my access token, eventually my broadcaster ID. That's it. I just need client ID and access token, I guess. And I'd like to get application. Okay, nice. So now I have a Twitch auth. So now I need to create a new reward. Brick. Okay. One sec. That one is not on me. That one is not on me, chat. How do I go through here and change this again? My my fault. My fault. Where do I go for this again? Twitch API revoke token. Okay, nice. Use Doppler. What is Doppler? This is fine. I'll just revoke token, access token. That wouldn't have done anything. I didn't leak it by leaking my screen, like my env. I leaked it because it printed, because it loaded the variable into the environment. So it's like, it just is what it is. Function Twitch API auth revoke tokens undefined or private. Did you mean revoke token with a bang? Yes. Client ID. If you are using dot syntax, client ID not found in this. Okay, that's fine. Stop. Just revoke the token. One sec, chat. Key client error not found in. Oh, I need to say what the client ID is. I see. This needs to be client ID and token. Oh, I need to create an auth. I see. Okay. Got it. Token not found in this. Sorry, do a map. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so what do I need to put in the map here? I need to do client ID is client ID and token is access token. There we go. Unknown registry, rec.finish. I can't tell if it worked or not. Maybe it worked. What is Finch here? It says yeah, and then it doesn't finish though. Revoke token. Rec post. What does Fog of War Redeem do? Nothing right now, chat. Nothing. Can't I just revoke it from Twitch? Like, I should just be able to revoke it from here. Your console. I just go to here. View all. I just go to where I just made a new token, right? Where, like, aren't all my tokens here? That's what I'm saying. There should be one on Twitch dashboard. I think that's from this one. Manage. I just make a new secret, right? And then it'll be done. I just get a new secret and we're fine. Okay, I got a new secret. Okay, that's fine then. Close the account just to be safe. Is the program prime? No, it's Shy Ryan's fault. For once. Otherwise, you need to manually start Finch. I don't know how to do that. Okay. I should have probably known better than to do that live. That does seem kind of stupid. I probably should have just probably just not shown that. But what can you do? You know, what can you do? You know what? Just in case, let me just make sure that the other. Yeah. Okay, that's fine then. Okay. So we should, I need to generate a new Twitch OAuth thing here, connect here. And then I get a new token here. Okay. Shy Rye. Killing me. Okay, so now I should have access token and I should have this and I should be able to do auth is Twitch API dot client. I don't know. What did I do before? Auth equals client Twitch API auth new. Oh, I will need to start Finch either way. I already reset everything. I don't know what Finch is. Try rhyme. Finch Elixir. Ah, it's the HTTP client we're using. Got it. Or in rare case, dynamically. Once you've started, you're going back to work. Hey, thanks, Nath. Thanks for hanging. So he's running perfectly with autocomplete feature. How do I fix this? I'm new to Neovim. Perfectly, but for the what do you have set up? Do you have like nvim conf or anything or what? Can I just do this, Shy Rye? Try without it first. Okay. Well. Yeah, okay. One sec, chat. Yeah, I got stuff. Okay, so now I need to do all right, so here you can come back again. Then we need to do Twitch API dot post auth. Well, you got to give me a lot more info than what you've done so far. It's not working. Is not like it doesn't help me out a lot for you. Query broadcaster ID What did I call it last time? We were doing this in API handler. Yeah, 114. So that's the query that those are, we said params, right? Params. And then we want to do, create custom reward. Create custom reward. Suggestions are there, but it can't get auto-commit pressing enter on a suggestion. Yes, that's because it's not configured to use enter as a suggestion acceptor. You should read what's in the autocomplete config, and then you'll find out more. Create custom rewards. Okay, so title required. Yes, yes. Everything else is not required, right? Okay, so we can just do this. No, not even read the manual. Just read your own config. Because it's in there. What do we want to call this again? Create color scheme. Did I call it pick a color scheme? Pick a color scheme. Was it pick a color scheme? All lowercase. Cost. Let's say 1,000 for now. Prompt. Is enabled true. They don't need a prompt. I guess specify to the user. We should say prompt. Select a color scheme. Must be a valid color scheme name. Okay. You can rebind it. Yes, you can rebind it, but you should just learn how to use what's in there instead. And then background color, don't care for right now. Is user input required? Yes. I do not like. Is there a way to configure Shirai that it leaves trailing commas? LSP didn't work except in one direction. I just figured I need a Git repo. Yeah, that's kind of a common thing. Response. Okay. All right. Just in case. Let's see if we... Okay, so it failed on Finch. Yes, it failed on Finch. No, unfortunately. Application ensure all started. Rec. What is this? Sure the app or apps and their children. Starts rec, which should start Finch. Okay. Do you have inverted flashlight? Kind of. We have one where the current line can't be seen. You can see above and below it, but not like around it. NeoVim here. What are we doing? We're making basically NeoVim to be able to connect to, or Elixir to connect to NeoVim, and Twitch chat and maybe eventually YouTube chat, we'll see, can basically like make stuff happen in my NeoVim. What in stream? Oh yeah. Okay, so all right, so let's see if this works. YouTube chat. Lithium. Shh. We have some YouTube members in the chat. Okay, they're helping support my unemployment. Okay. All right, let's hide this again. Got stuff. Data. Please tell me this doesn't send back any auth stuff because that'd be super annoying. It does not. Okay, awesome. Oh, really, Lithium? As in you quit to go do your own thing, or what happened? Pick a new color scheme. It's in there. It's in the challenges. Neo Anomaly. Hey, thanks for the prime. I sub on Twitch, not on YouTube. You're a good person, Round Piano. GitHub sponsor only chat. We'll add GitHub sponsors eventually too if I can figure it out soon. Quit to do my own thing, but I broke my ankle. Oh, yeah. What? Lithium? When did you break your ankle, Lithium? Okay, so chat, we just made this. This is this channel point rewards. We just made this. And if you check your channel point rewards, you should see in there now, pick a color scheme, which should require a message. Cackle, like this. So that worked. So now we go back to Mix Phoenix server. Just watch the next video. Wow. Hey. Fancy meeting you here at the end of the video. Just go ahead, give it a smash. You know, wow, the like button. You can make fun of me in the comments for that one. I don't even care because you made it to the end of this video. Thanks, everybody. See ya.